Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, first unique character in a string. This is one of the simplest questions mostly asked in telephonic rounds or screening rounds. You will be given an input string. All you need to do is find the first non-repeating character in the string and return its index back. Here is an example string LeetCode. In this, L is the first non-repeating character. Its index is 0. In the next example, the input string is love LeetCode. L appears twice, O appears twice, but V is the first non-repeating character. Its index is 2. In the next example, AABB is the input string. It does not contain any unique characters in it. So simply written -1 in this case. Assume that the input string only contains lowercase English letters. Now let's discuss the logic. The logic is pretty simple. We will use English alphabet ASCII numbers as a reference to address this problem. We will use an integer array with size 26. Since English alphabets are 26, the array size is also 26. We will track each character count in the input string into this array. Each index is represented by one alphabet. Index 0 is represented by character A. Index 1 is represented by character B, and so on. How to identify index for a given character? We will use ASCII numbers for this. If we want to find index number for character C, then it is character C minus character A. This is equals to ASCII value of character C, which is 99, minus ASCII value of character A, which is 97. The answer is 2. So index 2 is represented by character C. This is how we will calculate character index position. Let's assume that this is our input string LeetCode. Let's find index for character L. L ASCII value is 108 minus A ASCII value is 97. The answer is 11. So index 11 represents character L. Now we will iterate over the input string, count character by character, and track each character count in this array based on the character index. Once we count all the characters, then again iterate over the string and find the first character with count as 1 in this array. The character will be the first occurring non-repeating character. Return its index back. This is the logic. Hope you understood. Now let's write code. I have already created a method signature for first unique character function. It takes string as an input and returns integer as an output. First, we will do some basic validations. We will check does the given input is null or empty. In such cases, we will simply return -1. Declare an int array with size 26. We will use this array to keep track of character count in the string. Iterate over each character in the input string. We will increment the character count based on its ASCII value. We are done with counting characters. Now we will iterate over the string again to find the first non-repeating character. I'll copy this for loop, paste it here. We will check each count value. We will return its index if the count is equals to 1. If I'll copy this. In case if there is no count1 exists, then the string does not have any unique characters. Let's return -1 in such cases. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. We are calling first unique character function with multiple inputs and also printing the output to the console. Let's run. Here is the output and it is as expected. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.